Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I took the moss and algae growth off the siding from the north side of my house using this product, 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. It hooks up straight to your hose and there's no scrubbing required. This is nice because it reaches very far away. I didn't even have to climb up on a ladder. It's reaching up high on my siding just using the pressure from the hose. First, you just spray on the soap and then you read the directions to let you know how long to let it sit. I'm deciding to let mine sit on the siding for a couple minutes. Even though it says 30 seconds, I figured a couple minutes would probably be a little bit better. Then just switch to the rinse part, and you can use the same hose to just rinse it off with just water. And you can already see the dramatic difference between the side that I've cleaned and the side that I have not cleaned. Again, this is no scrub, just spray it on, let it sit, spray it off. As you can see, amazing results on the left side of the siding. No scrubbing, no ladders. Took me about 5 minutes. I'll put a link to this product in the description of the video below. Here's the finished product with both sides being clean. Make sure to hit that like button.